Oh, so super excited! International package! It's the best! Oh, it's really going on, PEZ collecting fans! Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel! Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Whew. Now then, boy, this razor blade's amazing! Yes! Alright. Okay, here we go. Wow, this box is loaded. Oh, I can't wait to see what's inside of it. Oh, wow. Huge thanks to Ghosty for this box. Oh, wow. Wait, what the? Huh? What? Oh, wow. Oh, that is such a cool thing. All right. So to protect the blisters on this particular card, you can put other blister cards over top of it. Ha! That's really cool. All right. But look at these dispensers. All right. The second VIP gathering will be well represented. Oh, man. Oh, this is so cool. All right. Oh, look at this. The PEZ Pals limited edition special box. I do love a good box. Ooh. Number 34. All right. Oh, so cool. So these are giveaways for ThePIGToo, a variation of the unconventional convention. So when you do register for the convention and you show up, oh, cool. Look at those. Hey, Pluto, look. You've never seen those before, have you? No. That's cool. That's really cool. Oh, I got the... is his name Fireman Sam? Is that correct? And there is his fire truck. Very cool. Oh, Rubble. Rubble, I know his name, Rubble. Only one pack of candy. Huh. Another box. There's so much inside of here. I'm blown away. I'm gonna love giving away each of another one of these boxes. Oh, wow. Oh, talk about outdoing yourself, Ghosty. Wow. And we have one more. Last but not least. Ooh, it's heavy. Very heavy. Oh, wow. Cool. So this is what the pig is all about. Sharing information. And here inside, I am going to guess. Yes. Great advertisements. Yay! Very cool. These will go out to every single person who attends the pig, just so they have one more spot to know. Now, if you don't know about the PEZ Pals blog spot, easy enough for me to say, they really do pull out some information. They got some inside, people in there telling them some stuff. But yeah, I definitely do tell you to check them out for information, plus contests, fun, news, and more. Look at and more. I can't wait to give this stuff away at ThePIGToo. Woo! So until next time.